Hi, my name is Nedu. I'm a DIY sewing enthusiast based in Lagos. Caftans are comfortably chic and have this rich auntie vibe about them. Do keep watching to see how I made this one. I highly recommend using drapey fabrics for this. So think silks, satins, midweight chiffons, lightweight cottons so the garment swirls nicely over the body. So you have two pieces, one for the front and the other for the back. So pin carefully and sew along both shoulders and then along the sides, starting from the bottom of the sleeve hem down to the dress hem. The dress is unlined, so I used facing to finish the neckline edge. So place another piece of paper underneath the pattern and use a tracing wheel to trace out the shape of the facing pattern. You would need two facing pieces, one for the front neckline and the other for the back neckline. After cutting, stitch both. The back necktie is the main design detail of this garment, so cut 2 pieces of fabric for this. Then fold both pieces and stitch along the long edge. Afterwards, press each one carefully so that it's smooth and flat. Now pin each of the neckties against the top edges of the back neckline. Pin the right side of the neckline facing against the right side of the dress neckline, sandwiching the neckties between both. And after attaching the facing, I understitched to prevent the facing from peeking out, and I also top stitched using a zigzag stitch, which was decorative and also helped the facing lay flat. I finished the sleeve hem by binding it with a strip of bias tape cut from the fabric itself. And finally, I finished the dress hem with a single narrow fold. You'd first need to overlock the edge before folding and stitching. You could also use the zigzag stitch to wrap the edge if you haven't got an overlocker. I love the neckties because they are the most remarkable feature of this dress. This was such a simple project. I do hope you try it out. Best wishes!